welcome to a new video from Maatwielen. In this video I will be talking about one of my recent projects. This video is not meant to be an extensive tutorial on how to repair this wheel, so I will not go into every detail of the repair work, but I still hope you find the video interesting and useful. If you have a question about this wheel, the hub or repair work, you can use the comment section below. While inspecting this Vision Team 35 SL wheel, I noticed that the rim was quite severely worn. Even in these images, the concave shape of the braking surface is easily noticeable. This rim will still last a few Ks, but not too many. By the way, a rim will last longer if you regularly clean the braking surface and the brake pads. There were also some issues with the hub. Okay, so let's open the hub. You need some Allen keys of different sizes to do this. Then tap the axle out from the non-drive side. And after having removed the body from the axle, we end up getting this. There are two bearings in the body, and one of them, the outermost one and most easily removable, needed replacing. You can see the other bearing deeper inside the body. To remove this bearing, you first need to remove the retaining ring with retaining ring pliers. The green arrow points to a spacer which sits between the bearings. Remove the poles and pole spring and thoroughly clean the body. The new bearing for the body. Installing the rubber sealing ring, the spacer and new bearing. Installing the poles and pole spring. One end of the pole spring makes a 90-degree bend. This results in a small part of the spring pointing upwards, indicated by the green arrow. This part fits into a hole in the body, indicated by the red arrow. This is to ensure that the spring stays in place. Clean the hub and apply some grease on important parts. Installing the axle and bearing on the drive side. And finally installing the body and the end caps. Don't tighten the end caps too much. This is a lightweight, fairly vulnerable hub, and if the end caps are tightened too much, the lightweight parts will be pressed into each other. The wheel will not spin smoothly as a result. Thank you for watching.